Data engineering is changing. In 2026, it's not just about moving data from point A to point B, it's about intelligence. Whether you are a data engineer, a business analyst, or a GenAI enthusiast, there is one platform that is centralizing everything. Today, we are diving into Databricks 2026. We are going to cover what it is, why the Lakehouse changed the name, and three ways you can start using it today, including a version that's completely free. Let's jump in. To understand Databricks, you have to understand where it came from. It was founded in 2013 by the original creators of Apache Spark. For years, companies had a problem. They kept their messy raw data in data lakes and their clean, structured data in data warehouse. Databricks fixed this by coining the term Lakehouse. It's an architecture that gives you the cheap storage of a lake with the high speed performance of a warehouse. Fast forward in 2025 and it's evolved again. It's now called Data Intelligence Platform. It's not just a place to store data, it's a place where AI actually understands your data. So, what can you actually do here? First, for the data engineers, you have a full ETL stack. You can extract, transform, and load data using Spark for massive parallel processing. And with the Databricks workflows, you can automate your entire pipeline so it runs while you sleep. Next, for the analysis, Databricks SQL is a powerhouse. You can write SQL, build dashboards, and use a brand new feature called Genie Space. Think of Genie as a ChatGPT for your company's data. You can ask a question in plain English and it generates the SQL and the visualization for you. Third, for the AI ML crew, from model tracking with MLflow to building RAG or retrieval augmented generation for generative AI applications, it's all in one workspace. And the glue holding all together, Unity Catalog. It's their open source governance tool that makes sure your data is secure, audited, and organized. Now, how do you get your hands on? There are three main ways to sign up in 2026. The Express account, this is the fastest way. Databricks manages the cloud for you. You usually get around $400 in credit to start, and you don't have to worry about setting up AWS or Azure on your own. Second is the cloud account. This is for the pros. You connect Databricks directly to the existing AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud subscriptions. Three is community edition. If you are a student or a beginner, this is for you. It is 100% free. You get a micro cluster or compute and a notebook to start coding Spark or SQL immediately. No credit card required. Databricks has become the operating system for the modern data stack. In the next video of the series, I am going to walk you through the step-by-step tutorial on setting up your community edition account so we can start building our first pipeline. If you found this overview helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Are you moving from a traditional warehouse to a lakehouse this year? I'll see you in the next tutorial. Keep learning.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.